What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. I kind of just wanted to do a quick review and kind of demonstration on how to use the Cataclean on your vehicle. It's pretty simple. Make sure your car is around 1/4 of a tank full. To give y'all an explanation, I'm gonna switch it and let y'all see my car real quick. So as y'all can see, my car is like 1/4 of a percent full. That's what I mean by 1/4. It can be 1/4 or a little bit under, just not over it, because it says approximately 4 gallons or 1/4 of your tank. 1/4 of your tank is more than 4 gallons. For a Mustang, it would be like below, but that's pretty much how much you need for this to work. And so basically what you do is you pour this inside your where you pour your gas at in your vehicle, and then you'll drive normally for 15 minutes or maybe around, I say 8 miles. And then you'll refill your vehicle, and then it should help, like just with your Cadillac converters, help clean it, like all the carbon build up. For me, I needed to help it clean my sensors as well. Hopefully it does the job. I used it before, so it really does a great job for your vehicle. So let's go ahead and put this inside my car. So you'll kind of just take the bottle, you see my little vehicle right here, just make sure you get it all the way in and just pour it all in there. Once you do that, it's pretty much that simple. Just drive your vehicle like I said, and it should do a great job. So let me switch over to that part. Driving around, and as y'all can see, for city miles, I'm going up to like 19, 18, which is definitely pretty good. And for the highway, it went all the way up to like 26. And keep in mind, y'all, before my like I say, my city was like around 15 or maybe 14, and the highway sucked. The highway was like at 21. So it really does work. You just have to take your time, and you do have to drive it for a little while. It says drive for like 15 to 20 minutes, and then you go back to the pump, and then you'll refill it back up. That's just to give it to work. And the cool thing is, once you fill it up, that's pretty much all you have to do. Just drive it how you normally drive it, and then it says you can use it you can use it within 4 times in a year. So I would suggest that y'all guys use it like every season, like winter, summer, fall. That would be pretty, you can say, a pretty nice way to use it, you know, to kind of maintain your car. It kind of works like seafoam. You can see, guys, it's still going up. And I live in Dallas, Texas, so y'all know how the city is. It's like a lot of traffic. Y'all can kind of tell, like, it's a lot of traffic out here right now. I'm in Dallas. So for city miles, that's actually really good. But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Appreciate y'all guys for watching. I definitely would recommend the Cataclean. Skip fast forward is later in the evening. I had to come back and make sure I tell y'all guys it actually did work. It kind of took away one of my codes for the Cadillac converter. I still have a EGR code, but that doesn't have nothing to do with the actual Cadillac converter. But that's pretty cool. So I definitely can see how this helps with emissions. This might be perfect to help you get past the emission if it's only doing with your Cadillac converter. I say my go-to is just try it. Always try it before you try to do anything big, like before a big repair or anything. Just give this a try, man, and just see what it does. If it works, perfect. That'd be perfect for you. If it doesn't, then oh well. But it definitely is a great product, and like I said, I would recommend Cataclean.